Hey guys, what's going on? This is Asif and you're watching the Techniper channel. This video is about LumaFusion 3.0 and editing video in LumaFusion on iPad Air. It is an incredible device and I am happy with my purchase. The A14 Bionic chipset which powers the iPad Air is quite powerful. I mean, I used a lot of apps. I even edited a proper video for YouTube on iPad in LumaFusion. In the starting, it was a little intimidating because LumaFusion has got a lot of things and the LumaFusion is pretty much at par with a basic video editing software available for laptops. And obviously it does not match Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro because they are great software, editing software, but the LumaFusion app will get the job done. Now, the thing about LumaFusion 3.0 is it has brought a new update where you can now directly add the folder on your external drive into the LumaFusion and access that file, put that file in the timeline and work on it. You don't have to import that file into the iPad Air, which is a big relief for me because I bought the iPad Air 64GB variant, which is the base variant, and the other variant is 256GB, and the price of that is pretty much similar to what you will pay for the iPad Pro, which has a base variant of 128GB. So it was kind of a tricky situation whether to go for the iPad Air or iPad Pro. I was thinking that 64GB, maybe 64GB is not enough for me if I have to edit videos, but finally after LumaFusion 3.0, I can edit my videos without having to import all the footage. Like the video that I edited for my other YouTube channel, the footage was around 6GB and I had edited that video without importing the footage into the iPad. Now after installing all my apps on it, the apps that I want to use and use on a regular basis, I still have got 42GB of space on the iPad, which is quite enough. And I got this dongle, a Type C dongle for my iPad Air so that I can connect two USB flash drives, both USB or 3.0. There is an SD card, micro SD card, HDMI also, because you can connect your iPad to an external source, external monitor also. I have tried that. There is a resolution issue, but it works. And then there is a Type-C slot as well, which passes the charge, which means if you have connected this dongle to your iPad and then connect the power to this one, it will also charge your iPad and you can work on it without having to worry about the battery. I even worked on it. I mean, I even edited video without connecting to a power source, and it was a fun experience. I drained my battery from 77% to 6%, but I was able to finish my video in 2.5 hours. So it was a nice experience. If I had edited that video in Final Cut Pro, I may have edited that video in 2 hours or under 2 hours. So I had to spend additional 30 minutes on it because of the learning of the software. It was first time for me to edit video in LumaFusion, so maybe that was the reason it took a little more time. But I think once I learn the software and I'm able to figure out which feature performs what action, I will be able to minimize that time as well. But it was a fun experience to edit video on LumaFusion on iPad. And by the way, iPad Air also is capable of handling 4K footage and multiple timelines as well. So this is it. This was a quick update about the LumaFusion 3.0 and editing videos on iPad Air. It is capable device, it is amazing device, and I'll be making a review of it soon. Maybe it is already published depending on when you are viewing this video, watching this video. So you can check the description for the link of the iPad Air if you're interested, or maybe it will be showing in the recommendation sections also. If you're new here, you can subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.